Your new Android phone may perform well at first, but over time, it could slow down, freeze, crash, or drain the battery quickly. Don't worry, reliable repair tools can help restore its performance. Here are the 10 best Android phone repair tools. 1. Android Repair Versatile. Your new Android phone may perform well at first, but over time, it could slow down, freeze, crash, or drain the battery quickly. Don't worry, reliable repair tools can help restore its performance. Here are the 10 best Android phone repair tools. Step 1. Run the Android Repair utility on your computer. Plug your Android device into this computer with a USB cable and choose Android Repair. From the left menu, the tool will show you the Android issues it can fix. You can browse it and click Start. Step 2. Fill in your device info in the forthcoming interface and press Next to continue. Step 3. Input the number 00000 to the blank field and hit Confirm to go on. Here, please note that the system repair may wipe away all your Android data. Step 4. Boot the Android phone to the download mode following the directions below. Case 1. On a phone with the Home button, power off your device and press the Home, Power and Volume Down keys for 10 seconds. Release all buttons and hold the volume up key to get into the download mode. Case 2. On a phone without the Home button, turn off your device. Press the Bixby, Power and Volume Down keys for around 10 seconds and then release. Hold the volume up key to enter the download mode. Step 5. After rebooting the phone to download mode, you need to click Next to download the firmware for your device. Once done, the software will begin repairing your Android system automatically. 2. ReiBoot for Android. ReiBoot for Android fixes issues like recovery mode stuck, screen freeze, slow performance, battery drain, and more. It provides clear steps to enter or exit download, ODIN, fast boot, and recovery modes. 3. Fixppo for Android. With its impressive user interface, Fixppo for Android can quickly address pretty much issues pertaining to Android devices, including phone crashes, phone getting stuck on the boot screen, unresponsive phone screens, update failures, and more. 4. Assistant for Android. Assistant for Android contains several tools on a single intuitive interface. It works as a cache cleaner, file manager, system cleaner, startup manager, volume controller, etc. It could be one of the most powerful Android repair apps to improve phone's performance. 5. Greenify. Although many of the features available in it are now integrated into the Android system, Greenify is still the guardian of the Android system. It can be used to identify apps that have a negative impact on the overall performance and power consumption of the system. 6. Phone Doctor Plus. Phone Doctor Plus can test more than 30 kinds of hardware in and out, including Android phone overheating, system monitoring, battery monitoring, and optimization, and monitoring of Android data status and usage. 7. Repair System for Android. Repair System for Android is devoted to helping you find unseen Android phone issues. It is an excellent Android phone fixer for checking the entire system, and thus resolves the problems. 8. All-in-One Toolbox. All-in-One Toolbox has multiple tools inside a single app to help fix many problems affecting your Android devices. It serves as a mini launcher, Android memory optimizer, speed booster, battery optimizer, and CPU cooler. 9. DroidKit Android System Repair. DroidKit Android System Repair helps fix common Android issues like boot loops, system crashes, devices stuck on the logo, failed updates, and bricked devices. It's a simple, no data loss solution for repairing Android system problems. 10. Dr. Android Repair Master. Dr. Android Repair Master has a complete package for checking and fixing various system errors. It can check your entire system in minutes and resolve the matters presented, improving the productivity of your device.